Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create an audio waveform animation in Adobe After Effects. Alright, so first things first, we're going to make a new composition. The settings we're going to use are 1920 by 1080, change the frame rate to 30 frames per second, set the composition length to 5 minutes, and change the background color to black. Once you're done, hit OK. Now, in the media pool, press Ctrl-I and import your music. I just picked a random song, but you can use whatever you want. Drag it straight into the composition. Next up, we're going to make a solid layer. So right-click over here, go to New, then Solid, and click on OK. Now we have our solid layer. With the solid selected, go up to Effect, then Generate, and then Audio Spectrum. As you can see, we already have a bar showing up, but there's no movement going on yet. That's because the audio layer is still set to the solid, which obviously has no sound. So what we want to do is change the audio layer from the solid to the actual song. And as you can see now, there's some movement going on. Now I'm going to change a few settings here. Leave the start frequency as it is, but change the end frequency to 800. Next up, frequency bands. This one is pretty simple. It controls how many bars you want. Right now there are 64 bars. If you crank it all the way up, it almost becomes a solid shape and just looks kind of weird. If you lower it, you'll get fewer bars, so we want to keep it at a natural amount. I'm going to put it around 125. For the maximum height, let's pick something fairly high, around 800. Yeah, that looks pretty good. You can ignore the offset unless you want the animation to be delayed or ahead of the sound, which I'm not sure why you would want to do that, so we'll just leave it. Thickness controls how thick you want the bars to be. If you set it too high, it looks awful. If you set it to 0, you won't see anything, so just find a nice balance. I'm going to put it around 6. Softness is basically like a blur. If it's very low, the bars look sharp and intense. If you put it really high, it's almost like a Gaussian blur over the bars. I don't want it to be too fuzzy, so I'm going to set the softness to around 25. And now let's pick some brighter colors. Inside color is the fill color of the bars, and the outside color is basically the stroke. Hue interpolation controls the overall color scheme. Let me show you using the color panel. If you move this to the right, the color panel will go down, and if you rotate it to the left, the panel will go up. Here you can see how the colors shift across the spectrum. A full circle gives you all colors. Just pick whatever fits your style. Dynamic hue basically animates the colors. If this is turned on, the colors will shift and move over time. If you turn it off, the colors stay locked in place. In my case, I'm going to keep it on. Color symmetry means there's one color in the middle and the colors mirror on both sides. If you turn it off, the colors will just flow from one color to another. I'm going to keep color symmetry on. Keep the display option set to digital. Then you have the side options. If you want to keep the spectrum full, you don't need to change anything, but you can choose side A and it will show only the upper side of the spectrum. And here we go, we're basically done. Let's play the clip. And that's how you can create an audio waveform spectrum in After Effects. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe for more helpful guides. And if you found real value in it, a super thanks would be greatly appreciated.
Feel free to reach out if you encounter any issues during the process. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. Comment below if you have any questions. If you need further assistance, consider hiring a professional using the link in this video below.